Tired of your vacuum not picking up dirt and pet hair like it should? Here are the 5 best shark vacuum options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. Let's kick things off at the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe. This vacuum caught my eye with its impressive features, especially given that it's one of Shark's most popular models. If you want powerful suction combined with versatility for your home, this is worth a serious look. First off, the multi-surface suction is a game changer. It can deep clean carpets and handle bare floors effortlessly, which is exactly what you need if you have different surfaces in your home. With its lift-away functionality, you can easily detach the pod to clean under furniture or take it upstairs without straining your back. Plus, the HEPA filter works wonders for trapping allergens, which is great if you or someone in your family suffers from allergies. This vacuum has received over 30,000 sales in the past month alone, so you know it's a popular choice among buyers. Now, here's why this matters for you specifically. The anti-allergen complete seal technology ensures that dust and allergens stay trapped inside, giving you peace of mind while you clean. And with a large 0.9 quart dust cup, you can clean longer without frequent interruptions to empty it out. Now, some users have complained about its weight, saying it can feel a bit heavy after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you need serious cleaning power, a little extra weight might be a trade-off you're willing to make. So if you're looking for a vacuum that provides both strong suction and flexibility, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for you if you have pets or a multi-surface home. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For its price and performance, it's a good value. Now, if the weight of the Navigator bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, the Shark Rocket Ultra Light Corded Vacuum. Priced at $99, this little powerhouse is not only budget-friendly, but also lightweight at under 9 pounds, which caught my attention right away. If you want a vacuum that's easy to handle without sacrificing power, this is a solid choice. The corded design means you'll never run out of battery in the middle of cleaning. That's a huge plus for anyone who hates interruptions. The ultra-powerful suction works beautifully on both carpets and hard floors, so you won't miss a spot. With fingertip controls, you can switch between surfaces with ease, making it user-friendly even if you're in a hurry. Plus, the included upholstery tool and crevice tool give you versatility for cleaning different areas around your home. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Maneuverability is key when cleaning tight spaces, and the swivel steering helps you navigate around furniture effortlessly. It's received over 10,000 sales recently, which speaks to its popularity among users. Now, some people have mentioned that the dust cup could be larger for more cleaning time, but honestly, if you're looking for something lightweight and agile for quick cleanups, the easy empty dust cup makes it manageable. This vacuum is perfect for you if you're looking for convenience and ease of use. Skip this one if you have larger cleaning jobs that require extensive vacuuming. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more versatile. Product number 3, Navigator Lift-Away Upright. Coming in at number 3 is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Priced at $199.99, this vacuum boasts a detachable pod that lets you reach those hard-to-clean areas. If you want a vacuum that combines deep cleaning with the ability to reach high spots, this is worth considering. The lift-away feature is fantastic for cleaning stairs and above-floor areas like furniture. Plus, it has the anti-allergen complete seal, which captures 99.9% of dust and allergens, making it a great choice if you're concerned about indoor air quality. The brush roll shutoff allows you to switch from carpet to bare floor cleaning effortlessly, which is essential if you have mixed flooring in your home. What's more, the extra large capacity dust cup allows you to clean longer without needing to empty it frequently, which can be a hassle if you're in the middle of a big cleaning session. This vacuum has also been flying off the shelves with over 10,000 sales in the past month. Now, some users have reported that the vacuum can be a bit cumbersome in tight spaces due to its size. But here's the thing,
If you're looking for a vacuum that offers exceptional cleaning power and can handle pet hair without breaking a sweat, it's a worthwhile trade-off. This vacuum is perfect for you if you have pets or need versatility in your cleaning routine. Skip this one if you have very limited storage space. Now, if versatility is what you're after, the next vacuum might be more up your alley.
Product number 4, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. I want to talk about the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Liftoff. At $149.99, this vacuum has some unique features specifically designed for pet owners. If you struggle with pet hair and allergies, this vacuum is definitely worth a look. This vacuum has powerful suction that tackles dirt, fur, and dust like a champ. The liftoff detachable pod lets you clean hard-to-reach areas without the bulk of a traditional vacuum. Plus, the HEPA-sealed allergen system captures allergens, ensuring they don't escape back into the air you breathe, something every pet owner needs. What's really impressive is the tangle-free brush roll, which means you won't have to deal with hair wrapping around the brush, reducing maintenance time. The scatter-free technology also prevents messes on hard floors, making cleanup a breeze. With an XL tank capacity, you can get a lot done before needing to empty it, which is a real time saver. Some users have pointed out that the vacuum can feel a bit heavy, especially when detached from the pod, but honestly, if you're dealing with a lot of pet hair, the suction power and features are worth the extra weight. This vacuum is perfect for you if you have pets and need efficient cleaning solutions. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and hassle-free. Now, if you're curious about a more portable option, check out the next product. Product number 5, Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum. Last but not least, we have the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum. Priced at $264.99, this cordless model offers freedom and flexibility that's hard to beat. If you want a vacuum that's easy to maneuver without being tethered to a wall, this one might be your best bet. The hypervelocity suction provides impressive cleaning performance, especially in high-traffic areas. With up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can tackle your cleaning tasks without worrying about recharging. The removable hand vac is perfect for above-floor cleaning and comes with a pet multi-tool, which makes dealing with pet hair a lot easier. The LED headlights are a thoughtful touch, illuminating hidden debris that you might miss otherwise. Plus, the low-profile design means you can get under furniture without having to move everything out of the way. This vacuum has also seen over 7,000 sales recently, so it's clearly resonating with users. Now, some users have mentioned that the battery life could be better for larger homes. But here's the thing. For quick cleanups and everyday messes, the convenience of being cordless outweighs that downside. This vacuum is perfect for you if you want versatility and ease of use. Skip this one if you have a very large home that requires extensive cleaning sessions. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top Shark vacuums. Each one has its own strengths, so you've got options to fit your needs. So, to recap, we've looked at the Navigator Liftaway Deluxe, the Rocket Ultralight, the Navigator Liftaway Upright, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, and the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Navigator Liftaway Deluxe because of its powerful suction and versatile cleaning options. Avoid the Rocket Ultralight if you need a larger dust cup for extensive cleaning tasks.